video, I'm gonna show you how you can earn $500 every single day using ChatGPT and other AI softwares. As you can see here, this channel is making about $70,000 every single month just by uploading YouTube shorts. They are not even filming the videos themselves and potentially is making almost $1 million every single year. And if we take a look here, starting February 1st, 2023, creators in the YouTube Partner Program can start monetizing their shorts. So just a few days from this point, YouTube Shorts will be officially monetized. So you'll be able to make money from YouTube Shorts ad revenues that you don't even have to show your face or film them yourself. I'm going to guide you step by step of everything you have to do to start performing this method and start making real money in 2023. Now let's go ahead and jump into it, because I'm going to show you exactly how you're gonna be creating these videos with barely having to lift a finger. I want to start showing you this channel right here that it's based on top things road. So in this case of this channel here, it's based on top 10 things. So top 10 countries, top 10 most searched movies on Google. And this type of content here is really easy to make and profitable if you know how to do it. So I'm gonna show you around here, but remember, this is top 10, but you can do like a top 5, top 7. You don't have to do exactly a top 10, but I'm gonna show you right now how simple and easy this type of videos here are. And if we look here, you can see that these videos get lots and lots and lots of views. Like this one here has 1.8 million views. This one has almost 1 million views. This other one has 1.6 million views. So they're all 3.4 million views. So they get a lot of views, right? So let's click on this one so you can see how easy it is. So let's go and see top 10 countries with the largest manufacturer in the world. I have muted the music for this video, but you can see it's really simple, right? It's just some images going by and the countries in order going by as well. So it's that simple. But the way I'm gonna show you right now how to create this without having to even lift a finger, it's gonna be way better than this and more entertaining. So are you ready for that? This is the niche that we're gonna focus, and this topics of top 5 and top 10. And to start creating this video, first we gotta head over to ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT. If you do not have an account, you can create one really quick. It's really simple. You can even use a Google to sign in. Once you have created an account, this is the main page you're gonna be seeing here. It's really simple as well. You only have this page here and you can't scroll down. And after that, all we have to do now is start giving the instructions for ChatGPT to write a script for us based on the top niche. So I have separated here something. So for this video here, I'm gonna write me a short script on the top 5 best country to live in the world. And after you done that, all you have to do is press this little arrow here, and you can see already started me giving a list of countries. Okay, so it has just finished the script for me. It took me less than 1 minute to do all this. So if you think this is too long, since on YouTube Shorts we only have 60 seconds, you have two options here. You can copy this and go to a text editor of your choice, like I use Google Docs, and you can refine this and make it shorter, or you can ask ChatGPT to make it shorter for you. I'm gonna give you an example right now, so you can just literally write make shorter. And now Chat's starting to make this script right here shorter for me to use it. So after you have everything ready, that you already refined it, or you edited, or you asked ChatGPT to make it longer for you, you're gonna turn this script into a video. And for that, we're gonna be using another software. So this is the website. It's called design.ai, and this is another artificial intelligence that you can do a lot of things here. But what we're gonna be focused here today is we're gonna turn our text, our script into video. And this software here is gonna take our whole script and put some images, some background images, and a voiceover and music. So you don't have to do anything. You're literally just gonna copy everything from ChatGPT and paste it here. If you do not have an account here, you can create one. You have 30 days to try it for free, so you can do unlimited videos for 30 days. So once you're inside the platform, all you have to do is come over here to create, and then you're gonna press video maker maker. Now you just press this plus sign, and here you have to give a title for your video. So you can go back to ChatGPT and just come here and just copy this title. So 5 best countries to live in the world. I'm gonna copy it. I'll go back here to design. I'm gonna paste my title. Now all you have to do, you can get your script and you're gonna put on this part here. So I have posted my script here now, and if you want, you can set up your tags here, but you can do it later as well. I'll just leave it like this, and on this last part here you can also choose a end screen message. So I'm just gonna get subscribe now, and after you have everything ready here, all you have to do is press next. After you have done that, you're gonna be asked to select an industry. Usually I just leave it here on the others, so you just come here and choose others. So you just click on others and then you press next again. So this part here is for your voiceover. You can choose a voice that you like better. So the language is English, and for the voice you can see you have a lot of options here. So I'm gonna choose my voiceover. Let me put one voice here so you can listen how it is. So let's say this one.
Welcome to Video Maker. This is my voice sample.
So now I'm gonna choose mine here. I have chose my voiceover. Now just press next again, so this green arrow. So now my video is ready, and it was really quick. And the first thing you want to do here is to put on the correct format, and for that all you have to do is you click down here and put on 9:16. So this here is gonna be the right format for YouTube Shorts. And now my video is basically ready here. I didn't have to do anything. The AI did everything for me. Put the background, the music, the B-rolls on behind all the text, and let's take a look really quick how it looks.
Switzerland is known for its stunning alpine landscapes, world-class healthcare system, and high standard of living.
So you can see it's basically ready. The only thing you need to do here, and if you want to, is to change like the color of the text. You can change the background videos, and if you look here on the left, you have over 10 million videos to choose from. If you want to change from the scenes here, you can change it. Also, you can change the background music and the voiceover as well if you like. So the only thing I'll be changing here is the color of the text, and I'm gonna change the background music. So to change the color of the text, all you have to do is to click here on the text, and now you can see you can change the color of the text. You can change the elements, so the background you can put like a yellow. I'm gonna leave it like this. I think it's nice. Also, you can put a different one. You can choose like this. So for this part, you're gonna take some time here. You can take some time here and choose whatever is best for you. So I have fixed everything here now. So I put some different tags and the color, and I think it looks good. And also, like I said, I'm gonna change the background music, and for that all you have to do is you come here to the top left corner and you're gonna click on audio, and here you also can choose from a lot of options. I'm gonna put a lo-fi song here because it's really chill. I like it, so I'm gonna choose one. And after you choose it, all you have to do is double click on it, and this is gonna automatically go to your video. And now everything is ready. So here is that simple. After you have everything ready, all you have to do, you come here to this part, you're gonna press download, and then you just come here and confirm the download, and it's gonna ask you to preview that everything is ready. I already have done that, so I'll press download, and now it's gonna start downloading. This should take around 1 to 2 minutes. So now my video is downloaded, and you can see here I changed the text, and also I changed the background music, and it looks really good. Let's play really quick.
Life with its diverse and multicultural cities, vast wilderness areas, and universal healthcare system. Germany.
So now before we head over to the next step, if you liking this video and if you like to make money online, make sure you subscribe to this channel and you hit the like button, because I'll be posting 3 videos every week showing you guys different methods on new ways to make money online in 2023. Next step, you come to YouTube, and here you're gonna upload your shorts. I already chose a title for mine, so top 5 best countries to live in the world. In front of it, you want to put hashtag shorts. Also for the description, you can copy copy your topic and just paste it on the description. So the important part from this here is the tags here. So you want to put the most relevant keyword, and for that I use VidIQ. On this account here I don't have VidIQ, but let's say if you wanted to use VidIQ, you just click on Keywords Expector and let's say top best countries, and you can see here it's gonna give you the search volume for this keyword, also the competition, so in this case is really high, and the overall score for using this keyword here. VidIQ also is gonna offer you related keywords that you can use it. So make sure you put some relevant keywords here, but we are not done yet because I'm gonna give you a bonus and show you how you can start making money just with your first videos. And for that, we're gonna go to this website here, ClickBank, and how we're gonna make money here. We're gonna be promoting others people products. So every time someone buys from us, we're gonna get a percentage of the sell. If you do not have an account, you can start here and create one really quick. I'm gonna log in. So once you log in, you have to come to this part here, affiliate marketplace, and as you can see here, we have all these topics here that we can promote. So let's say that I made a top 5 healthy foods. You would come here to healthy food, health and fitness, and if you click on it, you can see you have a lot of products here that you can promote, and for each sale that you make, like this one here, you're gonna make $140.88. I'm gonna go back here to e-business and marketing. I'm gonna choose here one product so I can promote on my shorts. Let's say this offer here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Every time you make a sale on this, you're gonna get $23.61. And all you have to do here to get paid is you have to get the person to get a first trial for just $1. And how you're gonna promote this, you just click here on promote, and you're gonna put your nickname and the tracking ID. You don't need it. After you put your nickname, all you have to do is create a hop link, and now you can see it generated your hop link. But the thing here, people are not gonna click on this link here because it's too long. It's kind of sketchy, right? So let's copy this, and now we're gonna head over to Bitly. Once you're here on Bitly, all you have to do is create a new one, and now you're gonna link, and the destination, this is where you're gonna paste your link that we just copied. And for this part here, the custom back half, we can add a name here. So let's say so since the offer is related to Facebook, I put this back half link here, so get paid on Facebook one, and now all you have to do is come here and create. After you create it, all you have to do is copy this. So let's go back to YouTube, and here all you have to do is come to the description, and every video, every short that you post on the description, you're gonna put your links. So let's say this one, I'm gonna paste it here. All you have to do is take off this HTTPS here. So you take this off, and now you're gonna paste your video, and after you post the video, on the comment section you're gonna put your link again, and you're gonna pin your link on the comment section, so people, when they see your video, they're gonna click on your link as well. This is one way. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to watch my other videos because I have a lot of other methods similar to this one showing you guys how to earn money online.